Welcome to our tutorial on how to insert rows in Excel. This feature is essential for adding new data to your spreadsheet. Let's get started. First, open your workbook and select the row above where you want to insert a new row. I will enter a new row in between row number 4 and 5. Therefore, I will click on the row number 4. Go to the Home tab and in the Cells group, click Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Insert Sheet Rows. That's how it works. There is another method. That is, you can also use the right-click context menu. Right-click on the row number where you want to insert a new row. As previous, I will click on the row number 4. From the context menu, select Insert. In addition, if you need to enter 5 rows at once, select 5 rows using row headings and insert rows using any of the 2 methods discussed earlier. To recap, you can insert rows using the ribbon or the right-click context menu. This allows you to efficiently add new data to your spreadsheet. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.